Let's look at this table. Here we have a table without much settings. Table settings are not applied. So let's look at the coding we wrote in the notepad window, and we can make changes there so that it can be applied to this web page also. We can look at the notepad window. Okay, here we have opened the notepad window with the HTML coding. Listen, this is the opening table element, isn't it? So here we have to include the attributes we want. Then only the changes will be applied to the table shown here. Okay. So table, the first attribute was align attribute. Let's give align is equal to center here. Okay. See this, align is equal to center. In the opening table element, table align equal to center is given. Now you save this change by using file save, then reload the HTML page here in the browser window. Look at this, what happened? The table came to the center of the web page. This is why we gave align equal to center. Now let's give another attribute. Next attribute was width. Let's give it. Here we have width is equal to 500. Okay. Now you save this change and just reload your web page. Reload the web page and just see the change. What happened? The table width has been increased to 500 pixels. Similarly, we can type all the attributes with its value. Then let's see the change. Let's look at this. We have given all the 7 attributes like align equal to center, width equal to 500, border equal to 5, border color is equal to yellow, BG color equal to cyan, cell spacing equal to 8, cell padding equal to 10. So all the attributes and values are given. Now see the change after saving it. File save. Then let's see the change. Reload the web page by selecting the address and pressing the enter key. Now you can see what happened. Class 8 is the caption, that's already there. Then table alignment is already center, width is 500%. Then border is equal to 5 pixels. Table border is thickness is 5 pixels. And border color has been changed to yellow. Then each cell has cell spacing and cell padding. The space between cells was given as 8 and space inside the cell between the content and cell border was given as 10 pixels cell padding. Then border 5, border color yellow, and BG color, table's background color was given as cyan. So you can see the table background color has been changed to cyan. CYAN, cyan is this color. So all the settings are applied to the table now, only with the help of attributes and their values. If there was no attribute, a simple table will be displayed. Simple table will be displayed. Otherwise, if you apply the attributes and values in the opening table element, all these changes can be done to the HTML table. Okay, did you understand?